If AI still feels like a maze of buzzwords, this is your map. Welcome to the AI Learning Hub from Token Tool Hub, your clear path to understanding artificial intelligence from first principles and applying it to real problems, including smart, safe connections to Web3. Whether you're new, leveling up, or building on-chain products, this hub turns scattered tutorials into a guided sequence you can actually finish. What is the AI Learning Hub? A curated, growing library of bite-sized articles organized into 3 tracks: beginner, intermediate, and applied AI, with consistent structure, friendly language, and quick what-to-do-next pointers. Every guide is designed for momentum: short sections, practical concepts, small tasks, and a read next handoff so you always know the next step. Start with the beginner track if you want foundations without jargon. You'll learn what AI actually means, how it differs from machine learning and deep learning, and why those distinctions matter in practice. We cover everyday examples, recommendations, image recognition, language tools, and introduce responsible AI, safety, privacy, bias, transparency, and reproducibility. The goal is confidence. You'll walk away with a usable vocabulary and mental models you can explain to a teammate or client. Move to the intermediate track when you're ready for mechanics. We tour core machine learning ideas, supervised versus unsupervised learning, common model families, overfitting, evaluation, and data splits, without drowning you in math. You'll see approachable chapters on neural networks, embeddings and vector search, NLP and computer vision, plus how modern LLM systems add retrieval, tools, and guardrails. We give rules of thumb: what to try first, how to evaluate, and what signals suggest it's time to switch approaches. In Applied AI, we link concepts to Web3 and crypto use cases. You'll learn where AI truly helps with on-chain analytics, threat intel, and fraud detection, how to reason about smart contract risk, and why human review still matters when money is programmable. We show patterns for building responsibly, verification steps, approval hygiene, and the trust but verify mindset. You'll also see how LLMs, retrieval, and lightweight agents support research, dashboards, and developer workflows without overclaiming what models can do. Here's how to get the most from the hub. Step 1. Pick a track that matches your current level. Step 2. Use the search bar to find topics: neural networks, embeddings, token screeners, security, or data pipelines. Step 3. Open the first guide and follow the Read Next button at the bottom. The system will thread you forward through the path. Step 4. Keep a simple notes doc. Write definitions in your own words, log questions, and add one real task to try. That habit compounds fast. To help learning stick, most articles include small practice prompts that require almost no setup. Examples: describe a product and identify whether it's using classification, regression, or retrieval. Write 2 prompts for the same task and compare outputs. List the risks a scanner could miss in a token contract and how you'd add human checks. The point is momentum. Finishable tasks beat giant projects. If you're here specifically for AI plus Web3, try this path. What is artificial intelligence? AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. Basics of neural networks. And NLP essentials. Then jump to applied AI chapters on on-chain analytics, token screeners, and security and threat intel. When you see related reading, follow those links to connect the theory with live tools and explorers you already use. The hub also integrates with the rest of Token Tool Hub. From an Applied AI article, you can hop to our AI Crypto Tools directory when it's time to compare products, or over to Token Lab to safely experiment on testnets. Think of it this way: the Learning Hub teaches the why and how. The Tools directory helps you pick what to try. Token Lab lets you practice with minimal risk. A word on safety. Generative AI is powerful, but it's not an oracle. Treat outputs as drafts. Verify contracts and addresses. Minimize token approvals, and beware of urgent claims demanding unusual permissions. Prefer hardware wallets for meaningful balances and bookmark official sites. Don't rely on search ads. The Learning Hub repeats these patterns so you learn fast without ignoring caution. Want a one-week starter plan? Day 1. What is AI plus the ethics and risk primer? Day 2. AI versus ML versus DL. Rewrite 3 definitions in plain English. Day 3. Intro to machine learning. Practice identifying features, labels, and metrics. Day 4. Basics of neural networks and embeddings. Sketch a miniature pipeline. Day 5. NLP essentials and retrieval. Try a tiny RAG thought exercise. Day 6. Applied AI, on-chain analytics and token screeners. List signals you'd monitor. Day 7. Applied AI, security and approvals. Practice an AlloList least privilege checklist. Who is this for? Builders shipping products, analysts making decisions, founders evaluating vendors, students exploring careers, and anyone moving from curiosity to capability. The tone is calm and practical. The goal is progress you can measure. Fewer unknowns, better questions, and safer choices. Bottom line, the AI Learning Hub replaces hype with clarity. You'll gain the foundations, understand how modern systems fit together, and learn where AI genuinely helps Web3 use cases without skipping the trade-offs. Ready to start? Visit tokentoolhub.com/AI Learning Hub. Choose your track, open the first guide, and click Read Next. That's it. If this walkthrough helped, please like, subscribe, and share so more people can learn responsibly. Comment with the next topic you want covered, and begin your path today, faster, clearer, and safer with Token Tool Hub.